Friday, November 4th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. It's been a wet night across the region with some soaking rains. In fact, a number of spots between 1 and 2 inches of rain as we've gone through the night, and still some lingering showers to go through as today unfolds, with a chilly and dry weekend forecast is coming up. Let's start off with the radar imagery this morning. And there's that band of moderate to occasionally heavy rain progressing through eastern North Carolina. And places such as the PTI Airport in Greensboro have picked up around 2 inches of rain. And notice the shower activity developing in the eastern parts of Tennessee and the North Carolina mountains. What the setup here is, you have an area of low pressure right about there, and we're seeing this area of showers get cranking on the northwest side of the low, and that will pivot eastward through our region as we go through today. And maybe another quarter inch of rain or so in some spots, nothing at nearly as heavy as what occurred last night. Pretty breezy conditions too. Those blue shaded counties, those are mainly lake wind advisories across the region. And at the 4 o'clock hour this morning, you had the PTI Airport reporting a sustained wind of 31 miles per hour. And it will be a breezy day. Those northeast winds on the backside of this departing system, north and northeast winds gusting over 25 and 30 miles per hour at times. Now your temperature map here, chillier air winning the battle. That's plunging back into the region, and we have several days of 50s for highs coming up beginning today. There's your pretty intense upper level low by this afternoon, sitting over the sandhills and the coastal plain of South Carolina, moving eastward. But by the time we get to Monday, some ridging over the eastern part of the country. Now, there's going to be still sort of a northeast flow at the surface, so it's not going to be as warm as really you'd look at that pattern and think it would be, but we are going to be seeing some 60s for highs. Maybe a couple spots hitting 70 by Tuesday or maybe Wednesday of next week. Then the next system approaches. There's Wednesday morning. This could be a severe weather producer for parts of the plains and the Mississippi Valley. And then that system swings in with some rain chances returning to our area by Wednesday night and Thursday. Let me show you the GFS. Today, some lingering showers, breezy conditions, temperatures in the 50s through the day. 30s for lows tonight, and that'll be the case tomorrow night too. And our Saturday highs, only low and mid-50s for much of the region, speaking of the Piedmont and the foothills. So it's going to be a pretty chilly day. Sunday looks like upper 50s to maybe around 60 degrees or so, and then into the 60s for highs on Monday and Tuesday. Here's that next system moving in. The GFS is quicker with it than the European is. So there's Wednesday afternoon on the GFS, but then as we get into Wednesday night, it spreads the shower chances in and mainly has it east of us by Thursday. The European focuses on Thursday as the time frame for the chance of rain, and it'll be another pretty sharp cold front. Looks like a pretty decent, albeit maybe short-lived, blast of some chilly air toward the tail end of next week, around Friday or so. And depending on how things set up, that could feature a pretty decent shot of some upslope snow in parts of the mountains by later Thursday or Friday of next week. That is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.